Can two-factor authentication be bypassed? So, a lot of websites nowadays have been following this new authentication process. Basically, it's an additional authentication step that the websites implement in order to authenticate their users. This is called two-factor authentication or two-step authentication. How this works is, if you consider any website with two-factor authentication, let's say Facebook, you can manually turn on the two-factor authentication for your Facebook account by going to your account settings. Anyways, once you turn on the two-factor authentication, if you want to log into your Facebook account, you basically need to enter your Facebook password obviously, and in addition to that, you also need to enter a one-time password that will be sent to your registered mobile number. Only if you enter these two parameters, you will be able to sign into your Facebook account. Now, obviously, this feature adds more security to users because let's say if someone stole your Facebook password through social engineering or however it is, even if they know your password, they can't log into your account unless they enter this one-time password that is sent to your registered mobile number every time a login is requested for your Facebook account. Now, this is a very good thing, a very good feature to add more security. But it has its own flaws. Is there any way to actually bypass the two-factor authentication? As in, is there any way you can log into an account without having to enter the one-time password, even if the account has two-factor authentication enabled? So, cookies. There are some seemingly random strings which are not completely random, and they are used to identify a user within a session. Before moving back to the video, when you log into your Facebook account by submitting your username, password and additionally a one-time password, your browser sends these parameters to the Facebook server in a message. Facebook then validates these credentials and then generates some cookies and sends them back as a response. Every time your browser makes a response to facebook.com, these cookies are sent to the server. These cookies uniquely identify you as an authenticated user. Therefore, you're not prompted to enter your username and password again and again as long as you're including these cookies in your requests to Facebook server. So, if we have the cookies of a user, we can simply put these cookies in our request message to Facebook, and by doing so, we can hijack the user's session and get access into it, which means we can actually gain access into the user's account and can do everything that the user can do. As a demo, I've written this Python script which firstly steals the Facebook cookies from the browsers and sends these cookies to my server, where they are saved on a database which I can access from my end obviously. So if I run this script on a machine, I can get the stored cookie values of that particular user. So to test this, I firstly logged into my Facebook account, which is protected by two-factor authentication, from my MacBook, and then I executed this script on my MacBook. This script then steals the cookies and sends it to my server. Alright, now I'm opening my database from my Windows PC, and here are the stolen cookies that are sent by my script that is running on my MacBook. I'm going to first export this so that I can have a good view of the cookies. Then I install this edit cookie extension on my browser, using which I can modify the cookies on any website. I then logged into my Facebook account, and now is the time to replace the current Facebook cookies with the stolen cookies that belong to my actual account. Once I replace the cookies and hit refresh, you can see that I am magically logged into my actual Facebook account, which is protected by two-factor authentication. And notice here that I did not even enter my password, or no security code is actually sent to my mobile number. Actually hijacked the user session and managed to get access into it. So yes, we successfully bypassed the two-factor authentication. Alright, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up below, and if you don't like it, you can leave a thumbs down also, but try to leave a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think about this video and subscribe for more awesome videos. I'll meet you in the next one. Until then, cheers.